Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the MacBook Pro battery replacement. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a battery, and the other components that will be required to change the battery. Let's get into the video. Bring the MacBook Pro into the frame. This is what we will be working on. Bring the battery. This is the replacement for the MacBook Pro itself. Screwdrivers that are given with the battery. If you missed the unboxing video, go to the previous videos to see that. A MacBook Pro charger. If you missed the unboxing for that, go to the previous videos to see that. And now we can take all this away. Before you start working on your MacBook Pro, make sure you have something on the table because your MacBook Pro will be upside down. Maybe a cloth. I'm using a mouse mat. Take the MacBook Pro, turn this upside down, and now start to remove all the screws from the MacBook Pro itself. This will take some time, really depending on how fast you are. Once you have taken out all the screws, make sure you align them in such a way that you're then able to take the screws and put them back into their original position. And now we can take the lid off the back of the MacBook Pro, place that somewhere. And now let's get into the Mac. So there we have the optical drive, the motherboard with the RAM chips. This is where the battery should be. As you can see, the previous battery is not there. I had to take that out for various reasons. Left hand side we have the hard drive and SSD. And now bring the star of the show into the frame. The MacBook Pro battery replacement, which was purchased from Amazon for about £50. The link will be in the description. EgoWay 7200 milliamp hours, 79 watt hours replacement battery for a 15-inch MacBook Pro from early or late 2011 and mid 2012. That is the battery. Remove all the plastic and then slide the battery in a way which it is comfortable. And now we are ready to insert the battery in position. I have noticed something. The plastic on top also needs to be removed, so we can remove that off the battery. And now insert, push, press down, and now the battery is in position. And now we are ready to connect the battery to the logic board itself to give the logic board some power. Put the lid back on. Put all the screws in position. Use the screwdriver to screw them all on. And now once we have done that, we can turn on the MacBook Pro, bring the charger into position, connect the charger to the MacBook Pro, the new charger, and now we can see the MacBook Pro itself has life into it. We have brought this thing back to life. We can now check the battery percentage of the machine. Yes, 61%. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.